Hi MFM crew, welcome new subscribers. It's Sonia, Multifaceted Me, and I am here to share with you a small thrift haul. Some of these things I've had for quite a while but just did not get around to sharing them with you. So if you are interested, do stay tuned. And we're back. So, I want to share with you a little about this channel. This channel is a thrifted home decor channel primarily and bargain shopping channel. I don't know about you, but I am not rich by any stretch of the word, so I make my coins scream. I can use my money for vacations and other things, but I can still live luxuriously for less. Absolutely, it is possible. So the things that I'm going to share with you, I've had them for a while but just did not get around to sharing them. You know, this thing called life. So there's probably going to be some surprises even to myself. So I recently found a new thrift shop that just opened her shop and was moving in, and I got some wonderful blessings. Okay, so the first thing I want to share with you is this silver bracelet, and it is very different with like the Roman numerals on it. My favorite metallic is silver, so of course you know I picked this up, and it just has a swing clasp on it, and I really like this. And her jewelry she was selling for $1. Okay, then I also picked up this very cute necklace, and it is black and silver with a little rhinestone on it, and it's kind of like a choker. So I thought that was really cute. Another $1. And then these bodacious bracelets. They have $5.99 on the tag inside. One is silver, one is gold, and I just like it because it was very different. I'm always looking for something that is very different. So again, I got these two for $1. I bought these two beauties, and they are heavy. They are real crystal. You know the thrift gods are still with me, and I paid $1 a piece for both of them. And the way that they are made, I can sit them onto a candle stand, or I could just put a candle inside them and use them by themselves. But man, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, and I have so many pieces that have this same etched design in it. So I'm looking forward to putting together a vignette or something for you to see how beautiful this is. $1 a piece. I've seen this beauty, if you've been watching my channel, in a challenge by My Style, My Colors, and believe it or not, I thrifted this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. And on the inside it has where you can put a tea light in there. So this was a wonderful find. And I don't remember how much I paid for this, but you know me. I like to thrift on the days where if the thrift store has extra discounts, that's when I buy. I absolutely love this gigantic fishbowl, and I can't wait to do a flower arrangement in this. It says $3.99. I think this was like 25% off. It was either 25% off or 50% off. And I also bought a square bowl. Oh, here is the other bowl that I was talking about. I got it from Carolina Thrift. It says $2.99 on it, but I either got it for 50% off or 25% off. You see what I'm saying? You know, these are just like the ones that you find at HomeGoods and they have the beautiful little short bouquet of flowers. You don't have to buy that. If you know how to make a flower arrangement, go find you a beautiful heavy base and create it yourself. Oh gosh, I forgot about this. Oh my goodness. I have a thing about eggs, and this price on this says $5.99. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh, look at that. That's gorgeous. And I'm sure I paid half for it, and I cannot wait to style it in my decor. I'm going through a transition, guys. Just, you know how it is. Shirley Davis, good YouTube sis of mine, and she had done a close challenge or collab, and this was the item that was inside my cloche, but I had it I think I had it tilted like this, because this was the only way. Yeah, I think I had it tilted like this because this was the only way that it would fit in the cloche with all the other items. But this is actually how it is supposed to show. And let's see. On the box it says $4.99, and I know that I only paid like $2.50 for it. So this is the cloche for $15. Okay, and then I bought two little, they're probably the size of dessert plates. One of them is very dusty. So I have two cheese domes, and I did not buy them with their bases. So I found these two black plates, and they fit exactly. So I am excited about being able to use this with my cheese domes. This beautiful bell-shaped lamp topper, I'm going to close this and make this a cloche. It says $1.99, so I either got it for $1 or 25% off.